we measure volatility, or how do we gauge volatility as a factor for trading or investing, is the most critical integral part of whatever we have been doing at QC Alpha. So volatility alone cannot be measured as a single metric. So it comes with a lot of factors. So a lot of people out there have been uh, telling us that VIX is on a higher side. They have been watching VIX as a gauge or barometer to see the volatility in the market. I would say VIX, India VIX, US VIX is a good barometer to gauge the levels of volatility pertaining in the market. But before that, we should understand that these volatilities, when they tend to rise, there are two factors, major factors behind it. First is either a shock, which is an unknown event or a news which has occurred, and that was the reason the volatility has suddenly spiked up, or an event like budget, which is a predefined event, which is a known event, but a very crucial event at the time of the overall calendar year. So these known events will also carry a tailwind and have the volatility factor induced in it. So what we are currently seeing right now is a known event-based volatility. Fed has already been over last week, so next week after the budget, I would see this volatility going down.